represent root 3 on the number line. At point A, draw a perpendicular with the help of a protractor. Join it with a scale. Now take AR equal to 1 unit, that is 2 centimeters. Also join OR with a scale. Now OR is equal to root 3. Now with a compass, O center and radius equal to OR on the number line, make an arc. Now this is root 3. We shall mark it as B. Now the distance from O to B is root 3 units. Root 4, that is 2, is already marked on the number line. It is a rational number. Now we will proceed how to represent root 5 on the number line. Mark 2 as C. With the help of a protractor, draw a perpendicular with your ruler, join it to C. Now let CS be 1 unit, which is equal to 2 centimeters. Now join OS. Now with O center and radius OS, draw an arc to cut the number line. Where it cuts the number line is root 5. Let us mark it as B. Remember, OS is root 5. I hope you have understood now how to represent root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the number line. Thank you.